12 major updates. 12 versions of Telegram with more and more features each. 12 times the developers offered their users something new throughout 2021. Each update brought some really awesome features, and so I decided to make a small summary and describe the top Telegram features that we got in 2021. Let me point out that some of the smart tricks you will probably hear for the first time, so be sure to watch this video till the end. I promise it's gonna be fascinating. I've said it many times before, but let me remind you. In 2021, Telegram introduced group audio and video chats. These are the main facts you should know about this one. Unlike other services, group calls in the Messenger are available to an unlimited number of users. Telegram allows you to share screen broadcasts with audio, including in private chats. You can record group calls, listeners and viewers can be allowed or forbidden to take part in discussions, and a lot more. This is the first top feature in 2021, which came in so handy, especially during the pandemic and distance education. In one of the 2021 updates, Pavel Durov's Messenger has greatly updated the app's design capabilities. If you go to Settings and select Appearance, the user can now choose a color theme that was specially created by the Telegram designers, or set a theme for each chat separately. And if you want to create your own one, the Messenger allows you to set your own colors. Animated background. It was also introduced in 2021. And you can also change the color of almost any element of the interface. In the July update, the Messenger team added a seemingly small but very popular feature. I'm talking about the change of audio and video playback speed. Specifically, Telegram now allows you to increase the speed by 1.5 times, and not just twice, as I'm sure many of you wanted. And if necessary, you can now slow down audio and video playback too. The next cool innovation of the Messenger is the list of those who read messages in groups. If there are fewer than 50 people in the chat, you can easily see who read your message. All you have to do is click on it and you will get the list. I really like this one, and I will share one secret with you. Soon the limit will increase to 100 participants. Towards the end of the year, Pavel Durov's Creation introduced its final update, and users got another long-awaited feature, reactions. As usual, they are Telegram style, and they are enabled by default in every personal chat. But in groups and channels, admins can turn reactions on and off, as well as choose which specific emotions people can use. To react to a message or a post, all you need to do is long tap on it. And next, we're having at least 5 more features added to Telegram in 2021, which will make using your Messenger even more fun and convenient. So bear with us. In April 2021, the Telegram team introduced 2 new web versions that are almost as good as the Android and iOS apps. Besides, the new versions support animated stickers, night mode, chat folders, and other features. Moreover, and this is an essential point, it's thanks to them that users have access to channels, bots, and groups blocked on other platforms. I also talked about this one in detail in one of the videos, so go check it out, I think you'll find it useful. Another feature that was well received by many users is forwarding messages. This year, this one became more flexible. Once you've selected the chat you want to forward a message to, you can long tap the arrow to get more options. There you can choose whether to show the name of the original sender or not, and you can keep or remove captions for photos and media files. You can also remove the messages you don't need, or change the recipient if you accidentally clicked on the wrong person. Interactive Emoji is the next nice update that Telegram users got in 2021. Clicking on some animated emoji will launch full-screen effects. Moreover, if the other person is active in the chat, they will see the same effects once you click on the emoji. The vibration on the phone is also synchronized for both chat partners. I know it's a small thing, but it's super fun. In 2021, Pavel Durov's Messenger allowed content protection in groups and channels. Now the creators of Telegram resources can prohibit their subscribers from saving photos and videos, forwarding messages and taking screenshots. The option can be turned on in the channel settings or when creating the channel. And I won't forget about text translation, another feature that Telegram users have often asked for, and again we got it in the last update of 2021. To start, turn on the feature in the language settings, then long tap on the message, it all depends on your system, and select Translate. A couple of moments, and the translation is ready. On top of everything else, many people forget about such a cool one as quick switch between channels. In one of the updates, Telegram introduced the ability to view all new messages from the channels you're subscribed to, without having to return to the chat list. Once you've reached the last post in a channel, simply swipe up to go to the next channel with new messages. Well, you would agree that 2021 was quite a fruitful year for Telegram. I'm sure 2022 will be even brighter and more awesome. Share your top 3 favorite features the Messenger team has released in 2021 in the comments. And join our community right now if you're not yet with us. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and find out about all the life hacks.